Okay, so in this video we're going to look at stop loss. So once you've entered the market, okay? So stop loss is very simple. There's two places you can put it. Okay, you can put it slightly above the high of the candle that you've entered from. So in this instant it'd be up here. Or you can count two highs back and put it at two highs back. Okay? For the tight stop people, you can have it here. Want a bit more flexibility? Two highs up. One high, two high, two highs up. Okay. Similar story for the sell trade. Okay. Down here, this one would just below this low, and this one was stopped out. Okay. So market does go against you. You're always going to get stopped out. One, two. Okay. Here it stops you out. No problem. It's part of the game, and it saves you from being in this kind of position here. Okay. This one here didn't get stopped out. Good. And we'll just go through some other trade examples here. Similar story here. Stop loss can either be below this low here or below this low down here. It can be in here, below the low of the candle, the divergence candle, or down here or down here. Okay, but more flexible down here, more tight here. So as it's going in your favor, you can move it back up. You can move it up to below the low as it's moving in your favor. Preferably if it starts crossing the middle line and starts closing above the middle line, you can move it up to the first low. But when you're getting in, just move it two lows below. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Okay, similar story here for this one. Here or here. Or want to be a bit more flexible, up here. These entries here will be above, this is your entry candles here, so it'll be above this high here really. You want it placed above this. Okay, and as it's crossing this middle line, you can move it as it closes below the middle line. You can move it to above these highs here or break even. This strategy is around 80%. You're going to get stopped out in some. This one would have been below this low. Stopped out, no problem. And again, it's close to the end of the day, so it's kind of something you wouldn't be trading. Okay. This one here, below the lows. And you'll know where we take profit in the take profit section, which is next. Okay. So again, it's very simple where we place our stop above the highs or below the lows. Above two highs above, starts closing below on a sell trade below the middle line, we can move it to break even or just above the entry. Okay, vice versa for a buy trade. Okay, two lows below or a low below, and if it starts crossing through the middle line closing, we can move it to break even. Okay, so we're not going to lose out in the trade. Okay, so stops are very simple. Use them, and we'll move on to the next video with where to take profits.